Welcome to Languages. To communicate, we use languages. Let's learn what languages are spoken in different countries. France, French. In France, we speak French. Portugal, Portuguese. In Portugal, people speak Portuguese. Canada, English and French. In Canada, people speak English and French. UAE, Arabic. In the UAE, people speak Arabic. In this lesson, we have learnt France, French, Portugal, Portuguese, Canada, English and French, UAE, Arabic. Welcome to Languages, Questions and Answers. We will now learn how to ask and answer what languages we can speak. What languages do you speak? I speak Japanese and English. What language do they speak? They speak Spanish. What language does she speak? She speaks Russian. What languages do we speak? We speak Thai. In this lesson, you now know how to ask and answer what languages you speak.